Hi everyone, today I have a Honda Jazz. Common problem from 2007 to till 2013, that shape. If you can plug the computer, you can feel the misfire cylinder number 1, cylinder number 3, cylinder number 2, sometimes cylinder number 4. So you have this type of problem when you plug the computer, and then you can see, I want to show you. If you can see here, the engine light is on. You can see, sorry for that, I put finger on there. Okay, engine light is on, and when you try to start the car, like, you can hear the noise and the car is like jerking and switch it off. Look, the engine light is come on and is try to cut off. You can see the idling is going up and down. Okay, and when we plug, okay, you can see is cut off. Okay, when we plug the computer, you can see here I am using the launch, and if you go in a read code, you can see P0302 and P0304, number 2 injector circuit malfunction, number 4 injector malfunctions, and it's saying misfire cylinder number 2 because of those, the reason of that injector, and misfire number 4 of injector. So problem basically not in a coil, not in a injector. Problem is only just inside the brain, like car ECU. If you have, like, sometimes you coming injector number 3 and number 1 as well, so it's depend on the condition of the car. So if you have this type of problem, you can bring the car to us. We can ready your car in 2 hours, very reasonable price, and we can take it out, repair it, and put back the ECU, or you will send the ECU and we can repair your ECU. If you have any problem, you can contact me anytime. We are in Hounslow. My phone number is 07402536382. Postcode is 171 Hanworth Road, 171 Hanworth Road, Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. You can see my other videos. If you like it, subscribe it, and we can solve your issue in 100%. You can see my other video. We repair all type of ECUs, and we can repair your car just like in 2 to 3 hours. So if you have my help, you can contact us anytime. We can book your car and we can fix your car. Don't need to go anywhere, just bring straight away to us. Don't spend too much money on there. Change injectors, coil pack is not gonna be fix the problem is in the brain. So bring the car, we can solve your issue. Thanks. My name is Terry. You can contact us. I will give you again phone number 07402536382. Thanks. Bye.